Hey, it's Paul Mengarelli with Landers Ford in Collierville, Tennessee, the #1 Ford store in the Mid-South. If you don't win the President's Award 18 years in a row by chance, we've got some great deals here. This is a 2020 brand new Fusion. SE package, sport package, blacked out rims, spoiler, beautiful interior. Got the 8-inch screen, safety features, no problem, 6, 7, 8 airbags, lane keeping system, blind side monitoring, rear view camera, rear view sensors, 1.5 EcoBoost, all power, windows locks, cruise control, tilt, nothing short about this. Called power seat, this car power seats. Spoiler dresses it up real nice too. This price $26,985. That's right, $26,985 list. You can have it. No, you can't. My son from Fayetteville, Arkansas is coming to get this one. Dr. Eddie Mengarelli, he researches everything. I mean everything, and he don't make no unwise decisions. So he's coming to get this car for $17,990. Got nothing just like it for you. And got another one for $15,990. It's a S package with a little bit less equipment. And got some with a little bit more. Only got about 5 left. You know, market for an automobile, do what Eddie's doing. Come get you a great deal at Landers Ford. My name's Paul Mengarelli if you need any assistance. 2082 West Poplar Avenue, Collierville, Tennessee. Paul Mengarelli with Landers Ford. God bless everyone.